Hi, in this video, we will see how to troubleshoot unable to obtain password from user error in TrueSight Server Automation Domain Authentication. When domain user fails to log in into TSSA console, it shows an error like user authentication failed. To investigate the issue further, we need to check the appserver.log stored on TrueSight Server Automation application server. Appserver.log and console.log will give you more details behind the login failure. You can find these logs stored under the NSHBR directory. I have this lab configured with domain authentication and I'm trying to log in with the domain user account, but it failed with an error, user authentication failed. Let's go to the app server and navigate to NSHBR directory to check the appserver.log. I'll go to the installation directory NSHBR and I'll open the appserver.log. Just navigate to the bottom. You'll see the latest logs are appended there. And I can see the user Sushant failed to log in into TrueSight Server Automation console and the error is unable to obtain the password from the user. Now, the possible reasons behind these failures are maybe the KeyTab file which we have used here is incorrect, or it is having the incorrect password or incorrect principal username. Maybe the principal user specified in the BL app server login conf file, that may be the incorrect. So let's try to fix this. Open a command prompt as an administrator and navigate to the program files BMC software blade logic NSH JRE bin directory. Let's go to the program files BMC software blade logic NSH JRE bin directory and run the command to list the KeyTab file. So the command is klist -k -t and path to a KeyTab file. Here it shows the service principal name as blauthsvc@bitsmart.com. So now we'll just try to validate the same principal name is specified in the bl appserv_login.conf file. This file is located inside the NSHBR directory. So let's navigate to NSHBR. There is a bl appserv_login.conf file. Here I can see the principal username specified as blauthsvc/ the instance name @domain. But if you see the KeyTab file, a service name is blauthsvc@bitsmart.com. To fix this, we have two ways. Either we can generate a KeyTab file with a correct service principal name, or we can change the bl appserv_login.conf file with the service principal name which is specified in the current KeyTab file. So let's try regenerating a KeyTab with the correct service principal username. To generate a new KeyTab file with the correct service principal name, let's connect to a domain controller and use a ktpass utility to generate a KeyTab. So now on a domain controller, open up a command prompt as an administrator. So command is ktpass -out blauthsvc.keytab is the KeyTab file name. The principal username is blauthsvc / instance name is the KDC server name @domain -map user is equal to blauthsvc@bitsmart.com -password, minimum pass length is 7, P type is KRB5 NT principal. So the KeyTab is now generated. Now we'll copy this KeyTab file from domain controller to the TSSA application server under the NSHBR directory. So on TSSA application server, I am inside the NSHBR directory and I am copying the new KeyTab file. I'm replacing the existing with the new one. Let's verify the KeyTab file once again. So on TSSA application server, I'll rerun a command, a klist command to verify the KeyTab. Now you can see the service principal name is blauthsvc/instance name @domain. Exactly the same name is being specified inside the blappserv_login.conf file. To take the changes effect, we need to restart the service. So let me restart the service. Service is started now. Let's try to log in into the TrueSight Server Automation console with the same username and the password. The user is now successfully logged in into TrueSight Server Automation console using the service principal username. Thank you for watching the video.